Charlie and I are down here at the water, and we have found this little baby turtle sitting in the bottom of the lake right here at this boat launch. We went to the alternate boat launch this morning, or this afternoon actually, so because I'm not feeling 100%, so we just rode up here so she'd have something different. Now she's telling me she don't care about no turtles. She just wants to get up the hill and get into some mayhem. She's a mayhem-bound basset hound. Anyway. Okay. Well, everyone be careful and safe out there. Later days.